Welcome. In front of me I have the MIBRO Watch Lite 2, and I'll be going over unboxing along with a quick look at the watch itself. So let's just pop it open. Let's get rid of that. Okay. A little bit dented in here for some reason, but whatever. Oh boy, that feels rough. Okay. So this... why is it white? It's dirty or something. Okay, anyway, for some reason this watch strap already looked like it went through some things for some reason. Yep, it definitely has been used. So normally you would see most likely the cable actually not in a square like this, but more like this, which it should have a little foil that holds it together. There we go. So that's how it's supposed to be kept when it's new. And would you look at that, there is also the foil for it. So there we go. Let's pretend this is new. Now, one thing that I want to point out, you've seen me cut through these little straps right there, or the straps to the seal right here, which we had 4 of them, all, I presume in this case, not factory. That probably would be the best way to describe it. Now here we get a silicone watch strap, which, come on, okay, there we go, which looks fine, nothing wrong with this. There we go. We have a default watch straps. These look like, what is it, 20? Nope, this is, what is it, 22 millimeter, I think. I think that's the next like standard. So I have, because I believe the Samsung Watch 7 has 20. These are a little bit wider than what I have right here. So apart from the silicone straps, the cable for charging, we have the what looks to be leather straps. These ones have also look like they've been used, which fantastic. Trying to turn it on right now. Okay, whatever. So yeah, these look like, yep, they've definitely been used. You can see this right here. So it is kind of stretched. I think that if this is leather, it feels very cheap and kind of crappy. Doesn't say anywhere genuine leather or anything like that. Maybe on that box, let's see. Have any info about this? We have color tarnished. Yeah, I don't see any info about this being leather. Better includes, nope, okay. So yeah, that's basically it. Now we have a rotating crown with a pretty satisfying kind of sound to it. Pretty heavy watch, I would say, considering most of the build is, I believe, actually no, this is aluminum. Okay, so we have back is plastic, frame is aluminum, and obviously front is glass. And other than that, if I take away from like all the kind of problems that this specific version has where it's used and this strap kind of looks crappy, if it out of the box kind of looked nice, you know, for instance, like this part right here, instead of being like, you know, already crumpled up and weird looking, honestly I think this would look pretty nice. I myself like leather straps, that's why I have one on here. Might be kind of hard to see with the camera exposure, but this is leather. So I do like it. This one just kind of seems a bit cheaper, a bit harsher. It's, I don't know how to describe it, but it just doesn't feel that great. If I actually put it on, let's see. So let's see. Now I do have the world's most likely tiniest wrist, so yay, I can get it on the last one. So on the wrist it feels fine, at least the strap. With time obviously it's just going to kind of adapt to it. That's if this is actual leather, or I can already see it does kind of, you know, stretch and all that stuff as the, oh boy, come on. So it does stretch already, as we can see based on these little marks right here. So with time this should mold into your hand to be better fitted, hopefully. And like I said, I don't know if this is real leather or not. If it is, then that's just gonna make it much more comfortable. But yeah, it seems like a solid watch, I would say. Nothing really special. I can turn it on and I don't really feel like plugging it in. So I'm gonna leave it at that. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.